Forms Overview. This lesson provides an overview on forms. For this, we would be using the Northwind database of Access 2007. We would then be building forms for our client eGizmos. There are different types of forms that Access supports. Important among them are multiple page forms. These are forms that run to more than one page. These are typically useful when you want to display large amounts of data on screen. Continuous forms. Such forms are the ones that display continuous data one after the other in the manner of a datasheet. On screen you are viewing one such form, the order list form. Subforms. A subform is a good way to show related data from the many side of a one-to-many relationship. The home form is one such, from where in the inventory to recorder form is attached as a separate subform. Any form has the following section. Header section. This is where you would like to add a static text that will aptly describe the form. The details in this section don't change when you are navigating through the records. On screen, the customer list label represents this. Detail section. This is the section which displays the contextual contents on screen. You can see details of the customer like first name, last name, email address, and so on. Footer section. This is again a static section like the header. Again, you are provided with the flexibility of placing any static text here. Form Wizard. Building a data input form. We have discussed till now various form types, sections in any form, and also their uses. Now it is time to create a form for data entry. As in the case of table designing, a form can also be designed in multiple ways. Here you would be exposed to form creation in the easiest way by using the Form Wizard. It is presumed that you are aware of basic Windows controls like labels, text boxes, list boxes, and combo boxes. In order to create a form, select the Categories table by clicking on it. Click the Create tab. Click the More Forms button in the Forms group. Access now guides us using the Forms Wizard to generate the form. In the form, we need the following fields: category name, category parent ID, category product, and category product count. Now, click on the forward arrows, double greater than. This moves all the fields from the Available Fields list box to the Selected Fields list box. Now select the category ID from the Selected Fields list box. Click the backward arrow, less than, button to remove this field. Access 2007 moves this field to the Available Fields list box. We remove this field as this does not require any user input. Click the Next button. The next screen in the wizard determines the layout for the form. We choose Justified by clicking on it. Click the Next button. Access asks the style that needs to be used for the form. Access 2007 style is the default selection. Click the Next button to continue. Access now asks for a form name. We are not going to change the name of the form from its default displayed name of Categories. In order to complete the form, some small modifications are required, and hence the form needs to be opened in the Design view. Hence, click the Radio button, modify the form's design, and click the Finish button to open the form in Design View. The form has been successfully created. All the data controls present in the form are automatically bound to an underlying column in the table, meaning any change to the data present in the form during display will effectively be saved to the underlying table automatically upon navigation. As mentioned before, the form design needs some modifications, which is going to be discussed next. Form Design View. The form is already in Design View. We are now ready to add finer details to the form, like adding meaningful names for the labels, tweaking the lookup for displaying proper data, and once that is achieved, the form is ready for user input. To give meaningful names for the labels that has been generated, right-click on the category name label and click on Properties. This opens the Property Sheet window. Select the Format tab, if not selected by clicking it. Click on Caption, so that the entered text gets highlighted. Enter the following category name. Now, select the label Category Parent ID by clicking it. Enter parent category name in the caption. Similarly, rename the labels Category Product, Category Product Count to Category of the Product and Total Available Products, respectively. Click the Save button to save the form. We now look at modifying the lookup that was defined during the table definition in the next lesson.